Would you look at that? A very beautiful and very explicit reminder that such thing as grace does indeed exist. And that's basically all I wanted to say to you today. It's very much real, it's very powerful, it's actually very much for you personally, because you are, as Bible states, fearfully and lovingly made. And one truth about unicorns: each unicorn is unique, and each is eternal and eternally unique. And that's definitely true not only about unicorns. And grace is the thing meant for, well, for everyone, for all and each unicorn, and for all and each miraculously, lovingly and fearfully made someone of God's creation. And I don't know what about you, but for me, the richness of your life, I don't know, for me it really reminds that, we sometimes take those things for granted. Even I do, although I'm very much in love with that, and I take each such time as first and only one. But even I get lost sometimes into everyday's just worries and expectations and things that rather distance myself from God. And one lesson you can definitely